I know what you're thinking. This is just another girl trying to do a YouTube. Oh my God! I know what you're thinking. This is just another girl trying to do a 30-minute tutorial on how to do winged liner. But that's not what this is, okay? Okay. So everybody who follows me on social media knows that I like to try out new things. I like new food, I like new hair products, new makeup, new everything. And I know a lot of people like to try things as well. But the people who are advertising these things on social media, do we really trust them? Or are they just doing it for the money? I decided to do a little YouTube page on reviewing products, but I did not want to do this alone. So dun, da, da, da. This is
Maria Aguins.
And we decided to do a page on reviewing products, and we are gonna get down to the nitty gritty. We are here to be 100% real with you. So we've been seeing this one product. It's like a waxing kit thing, right?
Self-wax.
Self-wax that is supposed to be painless.
Did you turn it on?
I did turn it on. All right. I got this little guy on Amazon. I don't really remember how much it was. It might have been like $25. I'm not really sure. I didn't get one that was very expensive just because I just wanted to try it out.
Oh, this is hot.
Yeah, this is really hot. It comes with the little machine. It also comes with like these little palitos, and it also comes with a whole bunch of bean bags. They look like frijoles.
Bean bags?
I don't know what else to call it, but they're like these
wax beans?
They're called wax beans, yeah. So basically what you do is you open it up. They're like different flavors, I think, también.
Flavors or scents.
I mean, you're not I meant scents. So you put the frijolitos in there, right? You wait until it's like that.
To a gooey consistency.
Yeah. There we go.
Consistency, you know. First
First of all, I just want to say that this is not fair, just because I'm hairy and I've always been hairy and she's not. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. I promise you, this is not Chewbacca. It's still me. Don't be afraid. Here we go. Okay, don't be scared.
I have nothing.
It is so
It's
unfair.
there, but
Literally, I could braid my hair. Like, if I'm getting hair ripped off of my
Is it
body,
really
like, it's still getting ripped off, you know what I mean? Ready?
Yeah.
Because I have tried this before, not on my arms. All right, here it goes.
You're dropping it everywhere.
Oh my God, it was so hot. It has like this little thing right here. Make sure not to put it all the way to 240. Let's put it to 195.
You're supposed to put it towards, how do I explain this? So the hairs are going that way.
So you put it that way.
And you rip it this way.
Against the hairs.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, I'm waiting for you.
Oh my God.
It's hot?
It's really hot. Why is it so hot? Jesus.
If you let it cool too much, then it doesn't go on smoothly. So far, I don't know.
So far it's hot as fuck.
Oh my God.
Put it like all the way to like 160. Go ahead.
What the hell? No, you barely even put any on. Oh my God, look at the hairs. This is gonna hurt so bad.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. It actually
oh my God.
Dang! Do y'all see all of those hairs that just ripped off? Okay, I'm sweating right now. We might have let it dry too much because it's like really hard. Okay, so this is what happened. So we put the wax on and then we paused it because we got hungry.
Maybe that's why it didn't work.
Yeah, no, and it's like really, really hard now. Why'd I do this to myself? I mean, on the bright side, it actually is taking off my hairs.
I took off some of mine. It didn't take mine off as much as it did yours.
Because you don't have any.
I have more hair here, so maybe it'll take it off like here.
When we're done with this, I'll rub some coconut oil so it won't get irritated or anything. It took off all the hairs. The only thing is that it left it kind of bumpy. You want to go ahead and
try that part? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So this is probably the most, like, the
more.
hairiest part that I have. That was so much better. It did not even burn,
It didn't burn, yeah,
at all. Just because I don't want the same thing to happen from last time, I'm not gonna wait too long. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. 1, 2, 3.
That didn't hurt. That didn't hurt.
Okay, I took the majority off now. Okay, that was not as bad.
That didn't hurt.
You see, I think we did it wrong the first time.
And it took my hairs off.
Y'all.
It actually took my hairs off. You can't see them, but it took them off.
It's always gonna be kind of painful just because you're ripping hairs out of your pores. Like, I don't think I believe in painless waxing. Okay. That's actually not bad. So, what do you think? Honest opinion.
I don't like the pain. I'd rather just shave them. I feel like I get the same result. But it's not that bad if your pain tolerance is high. It's not that bad. It's just a sting, and it actually works.
I liked it. You kind of have to practice and just like make sure that you put it at the right temperature, or else like you'll burn the crap out of yourself. By the way, we've been eating these guys too, like during
both of them.
This is lit, okay? These Doritos Dinamita Chile Limon. You guys have to try this.
And then these are the exact same thing, but just not rolled.
Amazing, my God.
It's the same thing, just
but unrolled. Shout out to Doritos. Anyway, thanks for watching our very first video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
If you guys have any suggestions on other videos you want to see us do, just let us know.
Like I said, we're open to anything. Food, beauty products, stores, games, anything, just let us know. My Instagram is Daniela_Aguin. Also, if you guys live in the Dallas, Texas area, I also have another page, Bougie_Broke_Donnie. If you guys like deals, go ahead and follow that page.
My Instagram is Maria Smiles with 3 S's _. Twitter is Maria Smiles, Facebook Maria Smiles, everything Maria Smiles, Snapchat, all that. So follow me.
Thanks you guys, until next time.
See you later.
La 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 la. Yada yada. Ha ha ha. Okay. 1. Dad, estamos haciendo video. No, véngase. He's smiling. Go. You guys are so blessed. Y'all get to see my dad. The first video. You also have to make sure that the layer down in the description box